Hi, today we'll cook crispy chicken sandwich with mozzarella and tomato sauce. An easy recipe and super tasty. First, we prep the chicken. Beat it to make it softer. Make the crispy coat for the chicken with flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Fry them in hot oil until golden brown. Cut one onion in small pieces. Fry until soft, then add some tomato pasta. Heat the bread rolls in butter. Add the tomato sauce on the chicken. Then add another piece of chicken. More sauce. Some mozzarella. And bake in the oven until the cheese softens. Then is ready to serve. Add some oregano or parsley or pepper. Easy and super delicious. You need to try it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more easy recipes. Bye.